Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to see reels liked by your friends on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end and I will explain everything to you. So the first thing is just open your Instagram app, and if I tell you the truth, there is no direct way that you can see the reels liked by your friends. Like there is no official option in the settings or anywhere like which will give you all the reels that are watched or liked by your friends. However, there is one method which is just go to the reel section, and from here what you can see is, as you can see, like there is a description of the video, and below the description, as you can see, like there is a music, and below the music you will see an like statement like liked by your friends. Like if you scroll down through like 5 to 10 or 15 reels, and after that you will be able to see that like your video or like this video is basically liked by one of your friends, like liked by this friend or that friend. And from here you can just check and follow or whatever you want to do with those reels, and make sure to like the reel. And after that, once you like that reel, so basically you and your friend will have a similarity in your liking and disliking. And after a few videos, basically Instagram algorithm will find similarity in both of your scrollings, and it will suggest you with the same content that it has been suggesting to your friend as well. So that is a simple and easy process if you want to follow up your friend and check like what they are liking or disliking, what they do not like. So that is a simple and easy trick, and there is no other trick other than this one. So that is it. Thank you very much.